Hello everyone, this is Stock Market Daily. Thank you for joining me today. It is March 16th, 2023. And what a great day for the markets. We started the day off a little bit slow. In fact, we sold off a cash open, but at around 10:20, we just got some better news about the banks and took off from there. From top to bottom, it was a 100-point day. If you take this point and take this point, that was exactly 100 points. And this is exactly what happens on days like this when there's so much volatility. It makes it very difficult to trade zero DTE because it looked like we were, maybe staying in the range, going down. But no, the markets changed really quick and we had a big run up. So up 1.76% for the day. And this is from here, right? So it was a big move. So let's take a look at the trades. And obviously the trades in this type of environment are hard, but with this type of volatility, there's more premium to collect. So first things first. So we have two put options that are finally out of the out of being in the money, and these have been rolled over and rolled over and rolled over many times. Finally, I got them down to 38.80, and there's two of them, and they finally expired worthless. And last night I said that if the market kind of stabilizing, and basically if we could keep this from going back in the money, that I will buy them back, and I will take my highest put option, which was at 39.65, I believe, or something like that. Or here, let's take a look. It was at right here, no, which is right here. It was 39.65. So at 39.65, I would take that option. I would break it up into two or three, and really get really get it out of the way of being in the money and get it down to somewhere in this area where you could keep rolling it down. Well, not only did we get out of these options here, we got out of the 39, I believe it was 39.20. Yep, so the 39.20, I bought it back just because we were, we ran up so much today that there's always a possibility that at the end of the day, we might just sell off. No matter how strong it looks, there's always a possibility that if we were in this territory, that we're going to come back and retest it at the end of the day. Especially with so much volatility and uncertainty around the banks. So I decided to buy back. This one was clearly going to be expiring worthless, and I ended up having to roll only one put from 39.65, which would have been right here, to 39.30. And had I waited a little longer, I could have rolled it out even further to 39.25, or collected a more premium at the 39.20. Or actually both. So I didn't sell at the right time, but that's okay. It's just part of the game. You could never time it perfectly. Now, also, I did place three call options, and obviously with run-ups like this, if we're in squeeze mode, if we have high volatility, there is, that's the risk that you're going to run into. They were well out of the money when they placed them in the morning. And I placed even a later trade when I saw that there was opportunity to collect some premium. I thought we might sell back down. And well, right now we're pretty much out of the puts being trapped. Now we're in the calls being trapped. So the name of the game now is to roll these calls up and out. So we're going to roll them. So tomorrow, this is Friday. So tomorrow, hopefully, if I need to, we'll see what happens tomorrow. But if I need to, I'll roll it out and into Monday and up to strike price. So we have one put, excuse me, we have one put and now three calls that are trapped. We'll see what happens on Friday, major expiration, middle of the month. We have quite a bit of things happening tomorrow. It's Friday. Who knows what could happen during the weekend. I don't foresee us having another rally like we had today. So, but I mean, anything's possible, right? So But I doubt that we're going to run up that much unless there's some really good news about something that comes up. So let's take a look at the totals for the day. All in all, it was another pretty good day for collecting premium. I did buy back this one put option. Here are the calls. The rest were the rolls. And all in all, if you add these up, subtract this one, it is 1,450 collected for today. So like I said, pretty good day. And that's, now we play this waiting game to see what's going to happen tomorrow. Ideally, we're going to stay in the same area, maybe sell off a little bit, and these are going to expire worthless. And this one may be in the money. I'm predicting that this one might be in the money, and we'll see what, if I could roll it out to Monday. If I have to roll it out to Monday, that's okay. I'm going to be a little cautious about putting on new trades, simply because if we start selling off after this huge run up, I don't want to be caught in this 3,900 area. Don't really mind being caught in this 3,800 area. So we'll see how the premiums are tomorrow morning, where we start and what happens. So make sure you are checking, make sure you subscribe, make sure that you're checking the bell notification icon for when I post. I do these every single day. And thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye-bye.